Every day, millions of people enjoy this crunchy, flavorful kurkure. But have you ever wondered how it's made? Today, we're taking you inside a modern snack factory to see the full production process of kurkure from start to finish. Inside factories like this, millions of snacks are produced daily. Behind that familiar taste is a controlled process. Today, we go inside to see how kurkure are made.
The process begins with cornmeal, the core ingredient behind the texture. Rice flour, seasoning blends, and edible oil complete the formula.
Before production starts, every batch is tested. Moisture levels, purity, and consistency must meet strict standards. Approved ingredients move into industrial mixers. Here, cornmeal, flour, water, and oil are blended together. The goal, a uniform dough with consistent texture. The prepared dough travels through sealed conveyors toward the extrusion system. Inside the extruder, heat and pressure reshape the dough. As it passes through the die, the signature kurkure shape begins to form. Rotating blades cut the product into uniform lengths, ensuring consistent size for even cooking. The snacks are fried in hot edible oil. This stage creates the crispy texture and golden color. Excess oil is removed using vibration and airflow, keeping the texture light and crisp. Inside rotating drums, a blend of spices is evenly applied. The product is cooled gradually, locking in flavor and crunch. The product is cooled gradually, locking in flavor and crunch. Metal detection systems ensure safety before packaging begins. Automated scales measure exact portions for consistent packaging. Each portion is sealed in airtight packaging to preserve freshness. Final samples are tested again for taste, texture, and safety. Any defective pack is removed immediately. Finished packs are grouped into shipping cartons. Approved products move into storage, ready for distribution. Soon they will reach shelves and homes around the world. This facility operates around the clock. Every shift, raw ingredients arrive and finished snacks leave for distribution. From here, the snacks begin their journey to stores. Thousands of packs leave the factory every single day. This is how kurkure are made, inside a real factory. From raw corn to crispy perfection, every step matters. You're watching Smart Factory Hub. Subscribe for more real factory documentaries.